Hey, what's up everybody? This is Ola from WizTech. Today I want to talk about this product by FiFine Technology, which is called the Lavalier Lapel Microphone. It could be used to do YouTube videos or live streaming on your mobile device. And I'll also be doing a voice sound quality comparison using this and also the internal microphone on the Note 10 Plus. So stay tuned. Now, before I get started, I do want to give a big thanks to the FiFine Technology Company for sponsoring this video. And also, if you haven't done so already, go ahead and hit the subscribe and notification button. So the presentation is really simple, not much to it. There's some information about the company. So I'm going to go ahead and open the box. Some more information here. And it looks like a user guide. So put this aside for now. It's nice that they package it in a sack for you. And let's see what's in here. So I just wanted to give you a quick peek at the manual so you can see all your pieces that this come with. And you look on the back, you can see an ideal use for the microphone. So there's definitely a lot of stuff that comes inside the package. So this is your headset. As you can see here, it just plugs right into the headphone jack. And then your clip-on microphone. Again, that plugs right into the headphone jack. Looks like a extension. And some extras for your microphone, the foam for it, and your Y splitter. So that way you can do, let's say you want two people to vlog with you or do a live stream with you, you can plug up both microphones. One can use the headset, one can use the clip-on, and this part will go right into the extension here, just like this. And this part will go into the phone. So this is available on Amazon, and I'll have a link posted in the description for you. So I won't spend a whole lot of time on this just for the sake of the video, but again, I want to do a comparison. But I know all of this for the small price that they're charging for is a pretty good deal. But it's going to boil down to the sound quality of your voice when using this, if it makes sense to even purchase it. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to hook this up to my Note 10 Plus and then do a voice test. And then I'm going to do it without the microphone, just using just the internal microphone that's on the Note 10 Plus. So the first test again is going to be with this clip on the microphone. Let's see how it sounds. So this is how my voice sounds using the FiFine Lavalier Lapel Microphone. And this is how my voice sounds when using the internal microphones on the Note 10 Plus. So this is actually the microphone that I'm using right now. So let me know what you guys think in the comment section below with the comparison. So there you have it, folks. And honestly, the comparison is not even fair, not at all. The compressed voice quality that you get out of the FiFine Lavalier Lapel Microphone is far superior over the internal microphones on a Note 10 Plus or probably just about any other smart mobile devices out there. So why not use this? I'm going to use this for the rest of my YouTube videos from now on. And again, it's called the FiFine Lavalier Lapel Microphone. A link will be posted in the description. Please use that link as it definitely helps me out. As always, I do thank you for watching. Please hit that subscribe button and also share and comment. And until next time, keep it mobile.